Hey guys, welcome back. I'm getting straight to the video here. The Mac OS equivalent for Microsoft Word is an app called Pages. So just type Pages in here and then open that up, and the first app that you'll see is the one. So I've already installed it on my computer, so I'm just going to tap open and it'll open up Pages application here. So click on continue and then click on new document. That you can open a document or just click on new document and it'll open up like this. So I'm just gonna open a blank document here. Just click on blank document and create. So Pages has almost all the features that you can see in Microsoft Office and everything. And the next one is Microsoft Excel. So the equivalent application for that is Numbers. So just click on Numbers, select search Numbers, and you'll see Numbers over there. I've also installed that in my device. So just open that and yeah, you'll see this here. Create a new document, blank Excel sheet, just create. Yeah, as you can see, Numbers also has all the features you need. So just close that. And the other one, that is the PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. The equivalent for that is Keynote. So just search Keynote in there and you will see I haven't installed Keynote here, so just click install and there it goes. It'll install on your computer, and then just open it up. It's opening up. Okay, and just click on continue and there we go. Create a new document and all that. So yeah, it's basically all the same. If you have used Microsoft PowerPoint, then you'll be able to figure it out easily enough. So I'm not explaining the whole lot of things for you. You can figure it out yourself. You're using a Mac, so I'm just gonna close that. So yeah, that's it. Now in the case if you're using an iPhone, it's pretty much the same in there also. So in my iPhone here, you can just go to App Store, and for MS Word you can just go search Pages here. Just search for Pages, and the first thing you'll find, I haven't installed any of those, so I'm just gonna download that and install them and just open it up. So actually Pages for iPhone actually is pretty good. It's much better than the Microsoft Word for iPhone because it has almost all the features you need. It is simply better than Microsoft Word for an iPhone. So you can see all the features here. So I'm just gonna, for Microsoft Excel, you just have to go back to the App Store here. And just search for Numbers. As you can see, I'm searching Numbers here, and I have already downloaded that, so I'm going to open that up, and yeah, just click on continue and create a new spreadsheet. Yeah, just click on a blank spreadsheet here. Yep, and that's it. So yeah, you can just add new rows like that, and if you want, you can select and edit everything. You can add columns. It has pretty much all the basic features, and it's really easy to use. You can figure it out very easily. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back to the App Store here. Okay, and the next one I'm going to search for is Keynote, obviously. So just search for Keynote, and the first one will be one that we need. Just open that up since I've already downloaded it. Yeah, and once it's downloaded, it'll give you a page like this. Just create a presentation, and you can select a blank presentation like that. So yeah, it's pretty much easy to figure it out. You've been using an iPhone for a while, it's easy to figure out. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.